Hey guys, I want to show you how to make a soft soccer ball that we're going to use today. All you need is a hooded sweatshirt. Okay, I'm going to lay my hooded sweatshirt down on the ground so the hood is facing up. I'm going to start at the bottom of my hooded sweatshirt and I'm going to roll it up to where the sleeves are. Now I'm going to take the sleeves one at a time and lay it over my folded sweatshirt. After I have that, I'm going to stuff it all into the hood. Once it's all stuffed into the hood, you can find your strings, pull them nice and tight, do a little shoelace tie. Don't make a knot, you'll never get it out. And then you have a nice, safe soccer ball that you can use. Because if your rules are a lot like my rules in my house, I can't use a hard ball and I can't wear shoes. So this will help us work without hurting our feet.